Guys, hello everyone, and today we will consider a strategy for 5 seconds with a good passability. So let's go to the settings of the indicator. Friends, here we put 5 seconds, here we have S30, and our indicator called alligator. Set it up and go looking for moments. Join my group with free signals in Telegram and earn on them now. Everything is absolutely free of charge. And so guys, we have to wait until the price reaches this green line. Yes. In this case, we see here it has reached, and here also the candle has reached, and the candles went down. Accordingly, we wait until the price reaches this indicator line, yes. And we will open in this case on the downside for 5 seconds. Let's find a similar moment. All guys, we see that the candle comes yes, and we open on $200 on the rise. The price reached the green line, pushed back. We opened on the rise. It's simple, guys. 2 or 3 trades made on one currency pair and move to another. Here you go. Yes, we could still make a deal here, because as the candle reaches our green line and pushed up, now it will still reach this line, and we will bet on the upside. We wait, and let's make a bigger deal. Now $300 bet. All seconds are left. Open a deal. The price reached and went up. You guys see it yourself. 2-3 deals made and went on. Let's still find the moment. All guys, we can see from the previous candle tails that it reached. So here it will go down. We wait guys and open $200 down, because immediately a sharp rebound occurs. We see yes, and our deal closes in. Plus, everything is very simple. Let's consider one more thing. Well guys, we see here 2 previous candles reached and pushed down respectively here. Now we will wait for a sharp increase and open here please for $200. All please, you saw it. Yes, the price went sharply down and in the plus. All guys, very well. It's working. Well, and if you want to receive my signals in large quantities, absolutely free, then write to me. I want VIP and I will take you. All this is absolutely free and you will earn on my top free signals. See you guys.